have to carefully lift the head up enough to pull this out. There we go. And just drop the head back for the moment. And inside here we have a kind of thermostat valve which opens when it gets hot. It's like someone's painted this one, but ideally this would come off in order for it to be powder coated, so I'm going to do that. So here there's two, I think they're 7s or 8s. This looks like a 13 on the back here. This looks like probably a 17. It's got a washer that's pinned against it, so we need to tap that back or lever it back in order to get that off. So yeah, that's the next job. So just with a flathead screwdriver, I've just managed to tap that down a bit. This is a 17, so I'm going to put 17 socket on and just take this off quickly. Sorry, it's not a 17, it's a 19. So here you can see I've just used a flathead screwdriver to peel that away from the nut. It's a 19mm nut, not a 17 as I originally thought. I'm going to put this on and hopefully, there we go, starts unscrewing quite nicely. It's good that the paint hasn't fixed it on there. As I do this, you just see that drop away because this is sprung together. Need to find where that nut went. So I've got the nut. And then I'm going to remove it from this side as well. As I said, I think that's a 13. It is 13. So I'll get a ratchet. There, we can take that out. Just going to put the fixings back on so I don't lose them. This will either need a good clean or replacing. We'll clean it up first and then see what we want to do about it. Here's one that I've got which is actually broken, so I'm not going to use this one. But on the bottom here, I noticed this is slightly different. Slightly different sizes, but it's also got, let's see if I can remove this nut. It's also got this kind of chamfered kind of washer in between as well, which this one doesn't have. So I don't know whether it's just a different type or whether that's meant to be there, but I'll have to do some investigation. And finally I've got two the 8mm nuts on here. Black paint's making them a bit difficult to unscrew, but they're coming. There's one, the other one's here. Go, and this bit should pop up. There we go. Got a couple of washers on there. Just drop those down, and there we have this removed. Pretty filthy, but you can see the stuff that's built up on there over time. This one's also got a couple of nasty dents in here, and I think the split's okay there. I don't think that's actually structural. Let's just have a look from the inside. No, I think that's okay. It's just where it's joined on. So before I send this for blasting, I might just try and tap these dents out a little bit, just so it's a bit nicer when it comes back. But other than that, this is ready to go.